Have you ever met a woman who was satisfied with her hair? Me neither. Hair is often associated with beauty and attractiveness, which is why most women always want that little extra that will help transform their hair from good to great. Today's video will discuss simple tricks to make your hair grow faster. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. 1. Have a healthy and balanced diet. You will need a diet consisting of foods that help in hair growth. Leafy vegetables, beans, seeds, lean fish, and chicken are all excellent sources of nutrition. What you need to do. The health of hair, like the rest of your body, is dependent on the nourishment you provide. While a good shampoo and conditioner are essential for hair care, it isn't the only requirement. Hair is mostly made up of protein and thus requires protein to keep it shining. A well-balanced diet that is high in protein, vitamins, and minerals is essential. Why this works? A healthy diet will ensure your hair gets all the sustenance it needs to grow long and strong, and keep it shiny and silky smooth. People spend so much money on buying various hair care products while overlooking their diet. But the fact is that a healthy and balanced diet contains all the nutrients and essential oils required for promoting hair growth. Since hair is basically constructed of proteins, consumption of protein is important for nourishing and revitalizing the hair. 2. Give your scalp a massage. What you need to do. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips. Heat a tablespoon of coconut oil. Dip your fingertips in the oil and massage in a circular motion. Why this works? Not only does a scalp massage feel great, but it also helps stimulate blood circulation. It also mobilizes oils from the scalp that strengthen the roots and keep your hair moist. A scalp massage with a stimulant like coconut oil greatly enhances the chances of your hair growing long and strong. Coconut oil is packed with essential vitamins and nutrients and is a natural hair conditioner. 3. Trim your hair regularly. You will need a good stylist who understands your hair. Visit the salon once every 3 months and have your hair trimmed and split ends removed. Why this works? While this may seem counterintuitive to someone looking to grow their hair, it is rather important if you want balanced hair growth. Damaged hair filled with split ends inhibit the growth and health of hair by causing thinning and breakage. Hence, getting your hair regularly trimmed to avoid unhealthy split ends is essential for enhanced hair length. If you've ever had split ends, you know what a nuisance they can be, especially for people with dry or damaged hair. Regularly trimming your hair ensures a reduction in the number of split ends and gives your hair every chance of growing. However, make sure you don't overdo the trimming and either cut your hair too short or cut it too regularly. Which method do you prefer to grow your hair faster? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.